Continuing with the concept of primary market, the second market is again in the same division of market based on the parameter called issuance of securities, that is where the securities are getting issued. Okay, so in the primary market it's all new, in the secondary market it's something that is already present. Okay, so if something is new, primary; if it's already there, it's secondary. Now the difference between here, or the terms that could help us understand what is secondary market is, there will be the trading or trading of the shares or any commodities in the secondary market. It's not something new, it's already something which is bought from the actual entity, actual organization in the primary market. So in the secondary market, when the buying and selling is happening, it's not between the actual organization and the end user. No, it's between the person who has already bought it. Like, let's say I bought a share of any bank. Okay, now here I am not the owner, but I have bought the share, so I am the owner of that share, not the organization. I am the owner of that share, that means I am the shareholder. Now I can simply sell it to any of the public. Okay, or I can sell it to the organization again, provided that they are interested in buyback or those kind of things, which will not be available every time, but there will be situation based on the circumstances or the requirement of the organization. But in general, or most probably, it will be between the other end users and me. Okay, me in the sense between the public. Okay, now here when we are trading, it's something as an account, as a shareholder, not the actual organization. So that's one thing. And now second thing is, who is doing it for us in the secondary market? So it's basically the 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 exchanges, the stock exchanges. So specific to India, it's a National Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange. So if you don't know what is the difference, what are all this terminologies and all, or what is the difference between NSE and BSE, what is Nifty, what is Sensex, don't worry, we have a separate 5 minutes video for that as well. But as of now, just understand that the stock exchanges are something which are helping us to do all this transaction. Again, we are not directly going uh, uh, to the stock exchanges and doing the transaction. Everyone will have their own brokers, or let's say there is a common broker which is working for all the public. So there are different entities or different brokers who are helping us. So let's say I have a demat account with a specific broker. Okay, now what will happen, I will simply give instruction to my broker that, hey, I think today is a good today is something that I want to do, buy or sell for this much amount of share for for this organization, and for the like that instructions as an end user I will give to my broker, and that broker will take care of everything, like making the paperwork, writing down in the let's say accounts books, or all these things, that this will be taken care uh, by the broker. Okay, now broker will make sure that this instruction that I have given to them gets executed. So let's say I have given instruction that I want to sell my share at this price. Okay, so that's one kind of instruction. Now he will make all the paperwork, he in the sense the broker will do all the paperwork and will execute the instruction. So that's how the process goes, and someone else will give his broker that he wants to buy the similar shares in between, okay, at this price or some given price. Now in the whole public, if any instruction matches, like the same price, if someone wants to buy or someone wants to sell, the transaction is successful. So that's how the process goes in the secondary market. So it's all about trading of the existing securities. Okay, now about the stock exchanges, we'll have a different thing, but any conceptual uh, term or anything that you didn't understand in the secondary market, mention that in the comment section. And yeah, the examples of it and all those things, you will find it in the meanings part. So that's all about today. So if you didn't understand any specific term, it will be there in the DPoint Finance playlist. Okay, if you don't find there, mention that in the comment section. And finally, please do subscribe to